This is our breadboard. Breadboard. This our 25 pin is horizontally short. 1 2 3 4 5 25 pin horizontally short. This point and this point no connection here, vertically no connection here, horizontally this point and this point connection, this point and this point connected, internally connected, this 25 pin, and this point and this point no connected, and this is our vertically connected. These are 5 pin are vertically short. This point and this point is connected, this point and this point is not connected. This point is vertically shorted and this point is horizontally shorted. This point horizontally 25 pin short and this point vertically 5 pin short. Then break, then vertically 5 pin short, then horizontally 25 pin short, then horizontally 25 pin short. We need breadboard because one resistance is connected to the another resistance in series or parallel. So one can connect it here and another connected here, and series connection. This resistance one is connected the same line, vertical line, and other is this is our series connection. And parallel connection, first same line, vertically same line, and second on vertically the same line connected. This is our parallel connection.